In this video, I'll show you how to use version history to roll back in Lovable. First, sign into your Lovable account and open the project you want to restore. Next, open the version history by clicking the history or clock icon at the top of the chat panel. You'll see a list of previous versions of your project, with each version representing a saved change. After that, browse through the version history and select the version you want to restore. Preview it to make sure it's the version you want to go back to. Once you've found the correct version, click Restore. Lovable will roll your project back to that version while keeping your version history intact, so you can always return to a newer version later if needed. Finally, test your app to make sure everything is working as expected. If you're happy with the restored version, continue building your project from that point. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use version history to roll back in Lovable. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.